Improve your IELTS band score from a 5.5 to a 6.5 or higher in 30 days. This study plan is brought to you by aehelp.com. To prepare for the exam with the right materials and videos, join our premium package there. Now for this lesson, we've also partnered with Skillshare, a world-class platform that lets you train in hundreds of different skills of your choosing, whether it's photography, computers, or English for the IELTS exam. Skillshare is the right choice. You can use our exclusive coupon code for the first 2 months free. Join Skillshare today. Now watch and learn. 30 days before the IELTS exam is enough time to improve one band score as long as you study 4 to 5 hours of English and communication every day. There are 2 ways to improve your band score, and you need to do both. 1, improving your English. This means increasing your vocabulary and grammar skills. And 2, improving your communication. This means answering questions exactly, with details, effectively, coherently, using the right words, intonation, and sounding natural. Let me tell you how to do this and what you need to do each day. Improve your English for the 30 days leading up to the exam. This means every day learn 3 to 5 new words. Learn to understand them and use them. Firstly, write out their definitions. Let's take the example of the word plethora. Plethora meaning plenty or many. That's the definition. Now, write and say a sentence that is complex, interesting, and includes you. I write a plethora of emails every day because I have thousands of friends all over the world. This is a complex sentence, includes you, and it's interesting. Repeat this with 3 to 5 new words every day, totaling 90 to 150 new words leading up to your exam. That might just be enough to get you that extra band score. Use these links to find some excellent word lists to help you with this vocabulary. All right, now, second, to improve your English, work on your grammar. This means every day spend 30 to 40 minutes reviewing and enhancing your grammar skills. Go back to the basics. I go shopping. Subject, verb, object. Then build up to more difficult grammar, like present perfect. I have been shopping for the past 3 days. Then build up to even more complex sentence structures. I have been shopping for the past 3 days because I lost my luggage with all my clothes. This is just a couple of examples. You need to do this with conditionals, passive sentences, correlative conjunctions, as well as using and applying adjective clauses. Examiners are looking for a variety of grammar forms as well as rich vocabulary. So you have to spend at least a combined time of 1 hour a day on grammar and vocabulary. Now, let's discuss improving your communication. There are 2 ways to approach improving your communication. Firstly, by observing and paying careful attention to the quality communication of others. You can do this for the IELTS exam by listening to audio and reading text. Every day, you should do one full listening practice that takes about 40 minutes, and you should do one full reading section with all 3 passages that takes another hour. Now, when you do the listening and reading, you need to pay careful attention to how communication is conveyed. Don't just use the IELTS materials, but also find other interesting material for learning quality communication skills. You should watch interviews on BBC or other talk shows with intelligent, educated individuals. Check out these links to help you. As well, you should read scientific journals and academic information. Take a look at these websites to help you. Now, the second way to improve your communication is by using your words and your knowledge effectively in speaking and writing. You have to practice writing every day. You need to write at least one task 2 every day, and you should write at least one task 1 every second day for the 30 days leading up to your exam. It's not enough to just write, and it's not enough to just speak. You have to get feedback. Feedback means a professional evaluation of your mistakes in writing, your mistakes in speaking. Once you have identified these mistakes, work hard to improve them. When you're doing your grammar studies, focus on the grammar where you frequently make mistakes. So, what do you need to do? Work an hour on your English skills, grammar and vocabulary. Work at least an hour on your listening skills, doing IELTS exams and listening to intelligent interview sessions. Work an hour on reading IELTS texts, as well as reading academic and scientific information. Speak and write. If you don't have a speaking partner, search for one online or through our website. And importantly, get feedback. All right, now here is a link to a timetable that explains exactly in detail how to invest your time each day for 30 days to improve your IELTS score by 1 band or more. Click on this link to get a PDF 30-day study plan from our website. Good studies and good luck on your next IELTS exam. Remember, practice makes perfect. You can do it. We believe in you. To see lesson videos for the listening, reading, writing, and speaking sections, as well as 6 full practice exams with audio for all sections, and a fully interactive course, visit and join us at www.aehelp.com and begin improving your band scores today for your next IELTS exam. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch more videos. Click right here. Or click our IELTS Hero for over 100 hours of complete video lessons and 6 original practice exams to help you pass IELTS.